How to sign up for Grubhub Delivery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check the eligibility. You must be at least 19 years old and 21 in some cities. Next, you must have a valid driver's license, and for transportation, you should have either a car or a bike. For smartphone, an iPhone with iOS 11 or later or Android with 5.0 or later to use the Grubhub for Drivers app. And Grubhub will run a background check as part of the application process. Once you meet all these requirements, go ahead and apply online. Visit Grubhub for Drivers and fill out the application form shown to you, which includes your name, email address, phone number, and delivery region. Also, choose your vehicle type. Now, complete the onboarding process. Submit required documents such as upload copies of your driver's license, proof of insurance, and government issued ID. Also, grant permission for Grubhub to run a background check through a third party service. You will then be required to download the Grubhub for Drivers app. So, install the app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Use your account credentials to log into your app and provide your bank account information to receive payments. Now start delivering. Set your schedule and use the app to select time blocks or deliver on demand when you're available. Orders will appear in the app, showing the restaurant, delivery location, and estimated earnings. Pick up the food from the restaurant and deliver it to the customer as per the instructions. So, this is how you can sign up for Grubhub Delivery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.